everyone, I will tell you how to sign up and use Binance. You can go directly to Binance membership page by clicking the link below the video. At the same time, this link is unique link for you. If you register to Binance with this link, you will get commission kickback rate 5%. So you get 5% commission reward from your spending. Binance pays you this in BNB and you cannot find this link anywhere else. I created it especially for you. This link will give you a lifetime discount. So let's start. We click on the link below, then we came here, register page. You only need an email address to register to Binance. You will write your email address here and we will write our password here. You must use uppercase, lowercase and lowercase letters and numbers for your password. Security is very important in the crypto exchange. So take care of your safety. After typing your email and password, look, there's a referral ID here. It is optional. When you click this, here is my reference code. If not, I will be glad if you write Y35IGESK. With this reference code, you will get a 5% commission discount rate. This will be a serious saving in the medium term. It will be profit for you. Then we click on the create account. Look, the Binance asked for us a 6-digit digital code. The duration of this code is 30 minutes. I opened the mailbox. The last mail came from Binance. We click on this mail. If you not see the activation mail, you will also check your spam folder. Here is the code 270745. I'm writing the code here. And I'm waiting. My Binance account has been activated, so now everything is OK. My account is activated now. I'm going to web page now. As I mentioned before, the most important thing in the crypto world or money world is security. We need to increase our security. We don't want pirates to take over our assets. That is why Binance has taken very serious precaution. We will see how to do 2FA protection. So let's call it two-factor protection. Here is a symbol similar to a human head. We click on security. We will activate 2FA. Look here, it says authentication to Google. This is a mobile application. We click on that on. There are two links below the video. There are separate links for both App Store and Google Play. You can download this application according to your phone's operating system. You can also click here to download it. We download the Google Authenticator to mobile phone. We click on the next. Now this is very important, friends. This code is the key for us. Think of it like the key. You use it to enter your home. If you lose it, you cannot enter your home again. And there are no locksmiths in our world. Therefore, I will give you very important information. Get screenshot of this screen and save this code somewhere safe. You can also write manually in a notebook. This is very important, friends. If you lose it, you cannot log in. But this Google Authenticator is very important for account security. While logging in, you use both password and authenticator code. This increase your security. I download the Google Authenticator to my phone. There's a plus sign on the upper right. I clicked on this, then I clicked scan barcode, then I read this QR code in the green square on the screen. Below is my code. I click the next. Binance has warned to save this backup. Warning says that if you lose it, it will be too much trouble. You may lose the phone. Your phone may be break. In this case, you cannot open Google Authentication. And that time, we need to activate our Google Authentication on the another phone and log in. Anyways, we click to get code. Binance sent a code to our mail. We go mail and click yes 221762. I'm writing code here And now I will enter the Google Authenticator code found on my phone. This code is refreshed every 30 seconds, so be careful. Make sure you enter the most recent password. And I clicked submit. I have activated 2FA now, guys. I took a step for security. There are other security precautions, but I'm using just Google Authenticator. So what do I do next? Let's talk about withdrawing money from the other cryptocurrency exchange to Binance. I came back to homepage. I click on the wallets. Then I click on the spot wallets. I will use Lumen because of the transfer fees so cheap. You can find it by going down. I'm writing here XLM, shorting of lumens. I click deposit to get money to my Binance account. I need enter both memo address and the wallet address for correct transfer. Otherwise the money will not be transferred to your Binance account. I clicked, I understood. Look, this is my Lumen address. Look, it starts with G and A and it ends with 4 and A, and the others is memo address. Now you copy these two address from other exchange and paste them to there. Make sure address are correct. Otherwise your money may be loose. We can transfer money to our Binance account with this method. I sent 300 lumens to this lumen address. I'm looking at the wallets. Let's click on the spot wallets. It was just 10 minutes ago. It has now 300 lumens. It cost about $28 and the equivalent is 0.00261 BTC. I transferred cryptocurrency from another exchange to my Binance account. Now I will talk about how to buy and sell. I click on trade. I click classic. Friends, there are three types of trading in the Bitcoin Vault and Binance. I converted my lumens to Bitcoin. Now I will tell you how to buy and sell, so trade in its simplest form. As I just mentioned, there are three types of trading in the Binance. One of them is market, the other is limit, and the last one is stop limit. I have prepared a visual picture to explain these to you. Let me explain the market. For example, the price of Bitcoin is $11,000. If you say sell, you sell directly at the current currency price and you get your $11,000. You sell at that moment. Now talk about limit. The working principle is as follows. For example, the Bitcoin price is $11,000, but you want to sell it when it's $15,000. Then you should enter limit order. You think the price will go up, you order sell it when it's $15,000. When it reaches $15,000, the order is executed and you sell your Bitcoin and get money. Finally, let's talk about stop limit. The aim is to reduce damage. People call this stop loss also. For example, the Bitcoin price is $11,000. If the price drops below $9,000, sell at $8,000. If you enter this directly, the sale is made at that moment. So we don't use limit. You have to enter from stop limit. Here our aim is to reduce our loss. Yes, I talked about our three types of trades. Let's go back to the exchange market. Firstly, I will show you the market. Its current price is $10,970. I have 0.0025 bitcoins. I cannot enter a price because I will sell it from the market, because the market will have its current price. I said sell it all. Look, the order has been entered and sold. I got $28. We saw the sale of the market now. I made my sale directly. At the moment, I ordered to buy it all. Now I will explain how to make a limit sale. For this, we will click on the limit tab. I don't want to sell at the current price. I think the price will go up. And I'm ordering sell it $15,000. My order has been entered. I will earn $31 instead of $28. Let's look for stop limit. I order sell at $8,000 if the price fell below $9,000. All of it. If the last price drops to or below $9,000 and order to sell 0.0021 BTC at the price of $8,000 will be placed. Our aim here is minimize our damage. I confirmed. My order has been entered here. This is our Binance tutorial video. I explained how to register Binance, how to use Binance. We transferred money from another cryptocurrency exchange to Binance. We trade, bought and sold on Binance. I hope you liked my video. I have a little request from you. I will be very glad if you like my video to get to the top on YouTube. I prepare a video with a lot of effort and time. I don't want to waste your precious time. That is why I am trying to record a video using a simple and understandable narration. I'm telling the summary without using unnecessary words. I'm telling basically. I hope my video worked for you. I hope you learned how to use Binance. It is your profit to register from the link below. My little request is to sign up using the link below and get 5% reward. See you in the next video. Goodbye.